What's up you guys? My name is Jency V. Today it is exciting because it's my birthday month and that means it's a Scorpio month. Hello! No, actually I'm gonna be showing you guys this makeup look, and it's all the colors of my healing crystals and gemstones of a Scorpio. So the colors of my healing crystals and gemstones for Scorpio, it's a moonstone, femininity, I can't say that. It's sodalite, logic and intuition. The rose quartz, love and romance. Citrine, manifestation, amethyst, I don't know how to say it. Spirituality, and rhodochrosite, heal from trauma. Don't judge me if you are really into all these gemstones and horoscope. I think gemstones, not just for Scorpios, but I think all the gemstones and healing crystals are very interesting to look at. And by the way, if you're a Scorpio, your birthday is in between October 23rd and November 22nd. Without further ado, let's get into the makeup look video. Alright you guys, I'm excited. We are going to be using our very colorful palette. Make sure you have a palette. You don't have to have the same as I do, but at least you have to have all these colorful colors right here. The reds, the yellow, the blues. Just have a very colorful palette that you can use. And of course, you need to have some brushes, whatever brushes you have. You need to have some fluffy brush, some kind of like flat-ish, because we're going to be doing some detail, we're going to do some blending, all that shebang. So you make sure you have some damp brushes because you want all your colors to be very pigmented. Clean your brushes. So with this fluffy brush right here, I'm gonna damp it a little bit, and then I'm gonna use my blue color. So I'm gonna start on the end, and you kind of want to go down a little bit. I don't know if you can see how it looks like a triangle. I'm gonna use this brush. And then I kind of just want to, like at the end of that blue right here in this area, kind of just want to kind of blend that through. Kind of want to just go down as well, like what I did with the blue. And make sure you blend that in. So you kind of just want to like brush it to the right or left. Depends on my mirroring in this camera. Now go to your next brush and go to your pink. More smaller brush. Take my yellow this time. So with my yellow, I'm gonna go into the very, like really close to my inner corners. Now you wanna put your yellow right here. Just where you stop your yellow right here. Okay, so we're gonna add the yellow here, and then we're gonna add the pink, we're gonna add the purple, and then we're gonna add the blue. The best color for my pink. And then I'm gonna go back to my blue. I'm gonna try to clean it up with my concealer. Clean up the edges. So you guys, I retouched some of the colors and here's the blending look. Now it's time for your eyeliner. I'm just gonna do something really thin and create a wing. Now I'm gonna do a second wing just below this wing right here. So what you really want is to show off all your colors on your eyelid. You don't want to have your eyeliner way too much, but that's up to you as well. Now I'm gonna add some lines, kind of look like my lashes. Just 2 or 3. That should be good. So now we're gonna go on to putting our lashes. If I can find my lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna put my mascara. Now let's contour. Now I'm gonna contour my nose because you know I have Asian nose. It's flat and it's a must to contour it. And I'm gonna highlight the tip of my nose, my bridge. Make sure you blend, you guys. You don't want solid lines like I always say. Let's get a very big fluffy brush for more contouring. You can do your cream contouring. Oh shoot, I just broke it. No. Do your cream contouring or your powder contour. And make sure you always blend it on your ears. Right here, down your neck. So with me, when I have really crazy eye look, I don't want to have too much for my lip. So like what I usually do, I start with my Superstay color stick. My Superstay 24-hour color by Maybelline. And it's just so whenever I go anywhere, I always have my lip color onto my lip at all times. I go on to my Maybelline Rebel Rouge. It's like 980. It's kind of like a red. It's kind of like a pinkish. It's all natural and I really like how natural colors are. I do want to kind of highlight my lips. Normally I would get like any light eyeshadow. And I kind of just want to, I dab it right in the middle of my lip. I don't know if you can tell, it looks really pouty. It has a pouty look and that's what I really like. So now I'm gonna get my pearls because these are really cute. This is my finished look. So if you guys actually really like this video and it helped you how to do your Scorpio gemstone makeup, you should like this video to help me with my YouTube algorithm. It tells me that you really value my videos. Subscribe to my channel to support my channel because you guys are awesome and all throughout my YouTube journey. Click that notification bell down below to get notified for my next upcoming videos. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next one.